First, head to the login page and provide your username and password. Click on sign in. In this page, you can see the link to all different calculators. Click on the finance calculator and wait for it to load. Start by providing the purchase price and the stamp duty. You can use the stamp duty calculator to find how much you will be paying for a stamp duty of a specific property. Then enter your deposit. If your deposit is less than 20% of the purchase price, you are entitled to paying the LMI. Enter the payable LMI. Now provide the interest rate for this finance in terms of percentage and the loan terms. Add the establishment fee for this finance and the monthly fee associated with this finance. You can now click on the refresh button to see the calculations. The calculator shows the repayments of every month as well as a chart that represents the monthly repayments for the whole terms of the finance. The chart shows the distinction between principal and interest that you would pay every month. If you increase the interest rate and click on refresh, you can see that your repayments will be higher and you will be paying more on the interest. Similarly, if you change the loan terms, you can see the impact on the number of months that you will be repaying your mortgage. In a similar fashion, you can change the property price to see the impact on your repayments.